Hello everyone, I am Akash and you are watching NetCell Programming. So, in this tutorial we are going to discuss about the functions. So, firstly we will declare function, then we will use the function in our program, then we call the function and then we pass some parameters inside the function. So, to declare the function I have to use a keyword which is def. I have to define the function first, so I'll write def here. Then the other thing will be the function's name, so which is going to be hi hey, and after the parenthesis I'll do a colon here. So after the colon, what is that's written is now inside the function. Just write hello user welcome back. So our statement is like hello user welcome back, and you have to just think about these spaces. If you forgot these spaces, your program will be just show an error, so you have to remember these spaces. So I'm going to now call the function here and I'll write hi and the parenthesis. So firstly I have defined the function which is hi, and then I just write a print statement which is hello user welcome back, and in the end of the function I have just called the function. So let's run this. You can see in the output hello user welcome back is printed. So that was all cool and a very simple function defining a statement and calling the function. I'm going to remove this hi. Now I'm not calling the function, so let's see the output. You can see that output is nothing, it is blank because we haven't called the function, so our print statement is not working. Right now I'm going to just write another print statement here, and I'll write here print, and in the parentheses I'll write number 1, which is going to be our second statement, and after the hi calling function I'll write print number 2. So you can see that we have now three statements. Firstly our print number 1 will be printed, then I'm calling the function which is hi, and the other statement which is hello user welcome back is inside the hi function, so that got printed. You can see in the output number 1 is printed first, then hello user welcome back because we have called the function, then number 2 which is our third and last statement. So I'm going to remove this and going to paste here number 1. So I'm just making this simple for you. I'm going to run this and you can see hello user welcome back, then our other statement is print 1 and the other is this print number 2. So everything and every statement has got printed successfully. I'm just going to do something more. So I'm going to write a parameter, actually two parameters, okay, name and age parameter. So now I have written down the two parameters and I have to just declare the value of the parameter. So I'll write Mike in the parenthesis, and then I'll write the age of Mike which is going to be 20. Okay, so I have just declared the name and age parameter inside the function, then in the calling I have declared the Mike and 20, the values of the name and age. So here in the print statement I'll call our variables which is going to be name and the other variable which is going to be age. So I'll write age here plus age. So okay, some spaces here to look good, and plus age. So name and age are written successfully. Our output should be Mike and 20. So just run this program. Okay, there is an error which is str error. So yeah, I have done a mistake which is going to be this. So I'll write str here which is age. So our age is now string value. I have write down 20 here which was the integer value, so I have just forgot the double quotation, so I'll convert it into a string. So now you can see number 1 and the other statement is hello Mike, welcome back, your age is 20 has got printed successfully. And our third statement, which is going to be number 2, is also got printed. So you can just like declare the function, you can pass the parameter in the function, you can call the function, and everywhere you can add any print statement before the function, after the function. You can do everything in the use of the function with your program. So that was all about this video. If you enjoyed it, please give a thumbs up, and if you want to watch more videos, please subscribe our channel. Thank you.